Hello guys, and welcome back to 0x82d40004. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x82d40004. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller. From there, head over to Profile and System, and then from Profile and System, scroll down until it says Sign Out. Now you basically just want to sign out of your account and then sign back in, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to Settings, from Settings going down to Accounts, and then from Accounts going to Remove Accounts. So you're basically going to remove your account and then you're going to add it back. You can also check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can do is heading over to General. From General, scroll down until you see Network Settings. From Network Settings, you're going to click on the Advanced Settings option, and then from there you're going to click on the Primary and Secondary DNS options. And basically you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once you do that, you can go ahead and test your network connection, make sure everything's working fine. I also recommend turning off the console, maybe restarting it. And once you do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.